Telangana State Board Mathematics Paper 1 MCQ Part B. This is Set B paper. Okay, the first question, here there are like 10 questions, each question carries like half mark, total like 5 marks. The graph represents, see here it cuts the x-axis at 3 points, 1, 2, 3. So as it cuts at 3 points, we'll get like 3 zeros, therefore it will be a cubic polynomial. So the correct option is C. Next question. If A and B are disjoint sets, the intersection of A minus B, B minus A. So here you take example for A, 1, 2, and for B you take 3, 4 because A and B are disjoint. Now calculate what is A minus B. See A minus B, you'll get here 1, 2 minus 3, 4. So nothing will get cancelled. So 1, 2 is the answer for A minus B. Now if I'll calculate for B minus A, B is 3, 4 and A is 1, 2. Here also nothing will get cancelled. So whatever is left on the left side we'll write after cancellation. But there's nothing is getting cancelled. So 3, 4 is the answer. So now A minus B, they told intersection. Intersection B minus A. So A minus B is 1, 2. B minus A is 3, 4. See, we don't have anything common, so the correct option is null set. Okay, correct option is null set. So here it is C. Next question. Suitable condition for the Euclid division algorithm A is equal to BQ plus R, where R, this remainder, see here you are dividing A with B. Okay, and the quotient is Q and the remainder is R. So remainder will be less than or equal to less than B greater than or equal to 0. Less than B greater than or equal to 0. So the correct option is, suppose for example you are dividing with 5, the remainder can be 4 and it can be from 0 to 4. So here less than B greater than or equal to 0. The correct option is D. Next, the value of 2 power log 3 to the base 2. 2 power log 3 to the base 2. Here A power, there is a formula like A power log n to the base A is n. A power log n to the base A is n. See, if you compare with that formula, in place of A we have 2, in place of n we have 3. So for this the answer is like 3. Correct option is C. Next one. Here two lines. These two lines are having infinite solutions. So these two lines are having infinite solution. So infinite solution means coincident lines. So here, now see, 2x, 2x plus 3y equals 7, k minus 1 into x plus k plus 2 into y equals 3k. That all, it has infinite solutions. We need to find the value of k. Infinite solutions we'll get for like coincident lines. So condition for coincident lines is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Now a1 is here 2 by k minus 1, 3 by k plus 2, 7 by 3k. 7 by 3k. Now here, if you'll simplify, you can take first, second, or second, third, or first, third. So I'll take first and second. 2 by k minus 1 equals 3 by k plus 2. Cross multiply. 2 times k plus 2 equals 3 times k minus 1. 2k plus 4, 3k minus 3. 2k minus 3k equals minus 3. If I'll 4, if I'll transpose, it will become minus 4. So minus k equals minus 7. So the value of k is 7. So the correct option is A. Next question. Roots of the quadratic equation. See here, they give roots of the quadratic equation are like real, distinct, real and equal. So it is based on discriminant. This question is based on discriminant. So first calculate like discriminant. 6x square plus 7x minus 10 equals 0. So ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So if you compare, the value of A is 6, the value of B is 7, C is minus 10. C is minus 10. So B square minus 4AC. 7 square minus 4 into 6 into minus 10. 7 square is 49. Minus into minus plus. 6 into 4, 24 into 10, 240. So 289, which is greater than 0. B square minus 4AC greater than 0. So real and distinct. Real and distinct. If it is less than 0, not real, no real roots. If it is equal to 0, real and equal. But see, here there is one more option. So here real and distinct. One more option, they gave 1 and 2. So the correct option here is A. Once try to like factorize this one. Like if you factorize 6x square plus 7x minus 10 equals 0. So 6 into 10, here 60. 12 into 5, 60. So 6x square plus 12x minus 5x minus 10 equals 0. So if we'll simplify this, like 6x if we'll take common, x plus 2, minus 5 if we'll take common, x plus 2. So x plus 2 into 6x minus 5 equals 0. So x equals minus 2, and here you'll get x equals 5 by 6. So see, just to make you get confused, they give this option because they are asking roots. So in a hurry, student will keep, oh, here are the two roots, just take this one. So don't do that, because the roots are minus 2 and 5 by 6. And so here the correct answer will be, when I saw this real, distinct, real, equal, so we have to find discriminant, then decide. So here the answer is discriminant is greater than 0, therefore the roots are real and distinct. Now in the same way, next question, if we'll see here, if a equals x such that x is a 0 of x square minus 3x minus 4. So x square minus 3x minus 4. We need to find the zeros. So x square, 1 into 4 is 4 and 2 into 2. So here I'll select the pair 1, 4. Minus 4x plus 1x minus 4. X if we'll take common, x minus 4. Plus 1 if we'll take common, x minus 4. X minus 4 into x plus 1. X minus 4 equals 0. X plus 1 equals 0. X equals 4 and x equals minus 1. X equals 4 and x equals minus 1. So here set A is 4 comma minus 1. In the same way is a 0 of x square minus 5x plus 4. So here also 1 into 4, 4. 1, 4 only I'll take the factors, because 2 into 2 will not get 5. So x square minus 4x minus 1x plus 4. X if we'll take common, x minus 4. Minus 1 if we'll take common, x minus 4. So x minus 4 into x minus 1 equals 0. X minus 4 equals 0. X minus 1 equals 0. X equals 4. X equals 1. So set B is 4 comma 1. Now here they are asking A intersection B. So A intersection B, 4 minus 1 intersection 4 1. So in this we have common, like see, only the element 4. The element 4 is common. So A intersection B is 4. So correct option is D. Correct option is D. Next question. See here, this is GP. GP common ratio. Common ratio formula is like A2 by A1. A2 is here 0.03 by 0.3. 0.03 you can write as like 3 by 100, and 0.3 you can write as 3 by 10. Now if you want, you can simplify in a clear way, like 3 by 100 into 10 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 0 0 cancel. So you are left with 1 by 10, which is 0.1, but here clearly 1 by 10 is there. So correct option is C. Centroid divides the median in the ratio, centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. See here, this question, they're asking common ratio, so A2 by A1. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1, so the correct option is D. Next, a line passing through tan 45, sec 60, cos 90, sin 90. See, tan 45 value is 1 because they are asking slope. So here slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So tan 45 is 1 and sec 60 is 2. Cos 90 is 0 and sin 90 is 1. So x1 y1, x2 y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. So minus 1 by minus 1, which is 1. So the slope is here A. Correct option is, slope is 1. Correct option is A.